Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to back up Google Photos to hard drive. You have to start by open your browser and you need to write Google Takeout. Now, open the first link and make sure that you use your correct account. So right here at the right top, you can change it. You need to click at the profile icon here and then firstly check it. And I need to swap to another account, so this one is mine. Then, firstly, click deselect all. And after that, you need to scroll down and you need to find Google Photos. Okay, so right here we have it. Check mark, and now click at the all photos albums included. And if you want to save all photos, just click OK, that's it. If you want to save something, let's say some album or photos only from 2024, let's say, you need to click deselect all and then select photos what you wanna save. So let's say I wanna from 2025 and then click OK. And right here, as you can see, we have one photo album, not all. So after that, you need to scroll down, click next step. So it's OK, but you can change it, it's up to you. Then export once, zip file, it's okay for me. You can also set it to TGZ, but it's up to you. File size. So if you have a lot of photos, I recommend to increase the size to maybe 10 or 50 gigabytes. But 2 gigabytes is okay for me. Then click create export. And then we need to sign in into the Gmail. So, Gmail. Again, make sure that you use correct account and change it. And now we need to wait until it will send to us this mail. So maybe I will speed up it for you. So, right here, we have it, open it, and click download. Write your password if Google asks you. And click download. But, as you can see, it also downloads automatically. So, we can also install the second one, but right here we have nothing here, so maybe you need to you may have more than 2 files to install. You may have 5, or it depends. And the last one is just the information what we don't need, as you can see. Okay, so after you install it, you have zip file. Let me connect my hard drive to the PC. Okay, I have it. And right here we have this folder, so let me create a new one. Let's call it test. Then we can which one we have? Okay, we don't need this. Now we can finally move it. So firstly, I recommend it to set it by size, and right here we don't need JSON file. I mean, maybe you need, but not for me. Then extract to, and let's move it to this new folder. Okay, that's finished, and now let's check this folder. So right here we have all photos and videos. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.